My beloved ones, just I love so much. And in love, once somebody is willing to be successful, so there are some signs that the person is willing to be successful, because once he'd been sleeping so much, he realized that to sleep so much is not better in life, and then he starts doing different more things. So now today also we're going to talk about a good and marvelous topic, and I do believe that everybody here is going to enjoy it, because somebody is willing to be successful. He sometimes work hard, he usually work hard, not even sometimes. So now today, once you want to be successful, once you want to go forward, we are going to talk about a marvelous topic which is going to push you going forward. So now here I don't want to delay, but I'm going to be so quick, and I believe that for reading you are going to follow me better. So now today we are going to talk about 5 morning habits to skyrocket your productivity. So now once you want to get much productivity, now I'm going to tell you things that you've got to make sure that you're doing. You've got to take these 5 morning habits, and I do believe that you are going to go forward. I do believe that you are going to boost your productivity. You are going to go forward. So now here, once somebody is willing to work hard, once somebody is willing to go forward, now you've got to follow like these videos, because I know that they are more helpful. So starting your day right can totally change the game, because once you are starting your day right, it can totally change your day, your game, I'm sorry. Because once you want a game better, you've got to make sure that you are starting your day better, because once you start it better, I know that even you can end it better. So now we are going to talk about here, we are going to talk about 5 simple morning habits to boost your productivity and crush your goals. So once you want to crush your goals, once you want to reach on goal, you've got to make sure that you are sitting on this productivity. You've got to make sure that you are working on these ones. You are making yourself sure that these ones you are putting them into practice. So now the first one, you've got to wake up 30 minutes earlier. You've got to wake up 30 minutes, because once you've been waking up at let me say at 6 o'clock sometimes, yeah, at 6 o'clock, now you've got to make sure that you are waking up at 5:30 o'clock. So now that can let you in those 30 minutes you can do much more things. For example, you can meditate. For example, you can take one book and you read, because also here down I'm going to tell you things that you've got to make sure that you're doing. So now once you take those, even you can sit, you wake up, you sit and you think big. Okay, just time of washing your body, time of to mean you wake up 30 minutes early, and I do believe that you can really go forward. So but your life is the most important one. Also, you don't have to forget that also you've got to sleep before time in order to wake up too before time. That can help you, because you've got to get much energy. So now let's take the example that you slept at midnight. It's not understandable that you can wake up again at 5 o'clock. It's impossible. But you've got to make sure that once you want to go forward, you've got to make sure that you are waking up 13 minutes early, and then that can help you so much. Get ahead of chaos and plan your day, because once you wake up at those minutes before, now you can plan your day very well. In those 30 minutes you can plan your day. Another one, you've got to generalize you've got to plan your goals, okay, or to generalize your goals. Once you want to go forward, you've got to write down 3 things you want to achieve. It works, okay? You've got to write down 3 things. You say no, just I've got to write these ones, and then for example, 3 things that I've got to do during the day. I don't know how to tell you, man. But an example, you can say I've got to wake up in 20 minutes. I'll be reading a book. After just important things. After reading this book, I'll go at work, and then work what you will work, and add more different things, and then also add yours. Like often. So now after writing those 3 things down, and then I believe that your day you can boost it, and then you can go forward. Because once you are writing, you say it may rain or not, I've got to make sure that I'm doing this and this. I've got to make sure that I'm finishing this my goal. Then I've got to make sure that I attain it. And let me tell you, I should tell you that once you write them down while being sure on yourself, you can go forward. So now let's talk about the third one. Move your body. Okay, just you've got to move your body. Your body is the most, as I told you, that you've got to get much energy. Also, you've got to move your body. So now try to imagine. Let me have this one question. Do you see that a young man who's 10 years old, and then you see that he brought a belly like a worm. Just you think that he has the worm. What's that? But also, while being a young, just it's a shame. You've got to make sure that for real you are moving your body. Okay, you can go in sports, you can run in the morning, you can do different things. Just now you've got to make sure that you are moving your body, because once you move your body, you can get much energy. And remember, energy is everything. God said that somebody who doesn't work don't have to eat. He didn't say that somebody who didn't eat don't have to work. No, just you've got to make sure that you are working, you are moving your body. After moving your body, and then you do other more things that can let you go forward. Somebody who doesn't work, you've got to move your body, because that can give you much energy, and then you can go forward. Read something inspiring. Okay, you've got to read something inspiring. Okay, just you've got to feed your mind with positivity. Okay, you've got to feed your mind. Like somebody who's following me, somebody who's following what we're doing here. Now you are putting something in your mind, and that's what you call positivity. You've got to put in your mind things that you know that it can rain or not. It has to work, and then you've got things of feeding in your mind. Negativity, no, stop them. Just you have to make sure that you are feeding yourself positivity. So now another one, you've got to plan your day, prioritize tasks and tackle them like a boss. Okay, just those are things you've got to make sure that for real you are putting them into practice. You've got to plan your day. As I said, you've got to plan your day. You say, no, I've got to do this and this, I've got to make sure and this and that. So now once you finish all those the ones, I know that you can go forward. So once I'm talking about these 5 ones, I know that for real they are more helpful. Once I'm talking about reading something, once I'm talking about feeding yourself with positivity, I know what I mean. Once I'm saying that you've got to move your body, I know what I mean. Once I'm saying that you've got to write 3 things down, I know what I mean. Just all those ones, I believe that you master them more than I master them. You've got to make sure that you are doing them. After doing them, it can help you so much. The name is Jimmy, and I love so much. Let's keep on another more videos.